Hi guys, welcome to Arcade Gaming. So today we'll be playing Escape the Car Wash Obby. So yeah, here is it. Yes, the manager has gone crazy and you need to escape. Perfect. Car Wash Obby. Guys, this is my first time making a channel, so please give me all your love and support. Okay, let's get started. It's literally hot. Okay, the manager has gone crazy. We need to escape. You will never escape. He's saying like, you will never escape. That's how evil people laugh. That's called an evil laugh. Oh my god. Oh, we cannot touch those things. Okay, got it. Sorry. Okay. Oh my god, I thought that he was just gonna jump on me and I was gonna lose. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. It's good. He's fast. Does he have auto backs? Oh, I was supposed to get there. Checkpoint. Okay. Ooh. Let's go. Oh my god, I forgot. Ah. Ooh. That was nice. I'm super scared now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, scary. I think we need to start from starting. No. Oh god. I hope the next one is easy. Okay. I need to jump to the other side. Okay. Oh, this is easy. Checkpoint. Ooh. Done. Let's go. Oh, this is new. Everyone are in 15th stage. What? Well, let's see, who is this 15th? Okay, she's a girl. Boy. Okay. 2 boys, 2 girls. I think that's fair. Yeah, girl, I made it. I made it all the way up. Oh, there's a wooden thing. I like if it breaks. Just kidding. Why would it break? I'm so high. Everyone like in 12th stage, 15th. I think they're gonna escape first. Oh wait. Oh my god, we just saw him, right? How did he get to 7th stage? I thought he was in 16th. But how did he get into 7th stage? Is this easy? I don't know. I never played this hobby before. I just saw the most popular ones and just did it. Oh, this is cool. But why are these wooden sticks there? If they get broken, if he has a trap for us. That's bad. Oh my god, I was just about to fall. Just look. I really don't want to fall because I made it so good. Oh my god, I'm getting higher and higher every step. I'm feeling so scared. Whoops. Yeah. And I nearly did the vent. Yes! Made it. Oh yeah. We are gonna finish this obby. Checkpoint? Why would there be a checkpoint? Oh, brother. How should I get past these? If I literally just get dead. Okay, come on, come on, come on. And jump! Oh my god. Please don't say I need to start from the starting. Oh yay! Looks like someone broke the wind. Look. They just broke the wind. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. You guys can see me. Perfect. I think I just walk. What? Oh guys, I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. Hey, wait a minute. I got an idea. When this goes, I'm gonna just. Oh my god. I'm just in 5th stage. I need to go to 18th. Who's this? Is it a girl? Oh, it's a boy. Why do boys go quick? And girls are like a slow poke. Look, I think this is a boy. They both, who is this? Yana P. I think this is a girl. Yeah. There are 3 girls. Yeah, baby. I made it! Next one. I made it through! Yay! I'm so close to that vent. I should make it. And this is going like high speed. So I'm scared. Yay! I made it! I need to go in that vent. There's any... Oh my god. Whoa. Am I in? Okay, I really... Which side do we need to go? This side or that side? That's a dead end. So is this the correct way? Which side? I think this. Wait, are we from the starting? I'm getting a little confused, guys. If you know this, please write down in the comments below. I think this is dead end. No, it's not. I'm super scared. I think we're going in circles. Where should we go? We are lost. Are we? Are we? Oh, everyone left. Excuse me. Help. I need. Oh my god, what am I doing? Anybody? One girl is there, but I can't find her. We are nearly done. Look. I just need to find the escape button. Anybody? I think I'm lost. Who's this? Adaka Bean? Is it this a girl? I think this is so. Oh, good. 3 girls, 1 boy. And why is this boy wearing a girl costume? He looks ridiculous. Wait. Guys, please help. I need to get out of here. Is this a dead end? It's not. I think we're from the starting. We just came here. Guys, this is confusing. Oh, this is a dead end. Oh. Guys, in my next video, which is on Friday, guys, what's today? Today is it Sunday? Yes. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, I will be uploading videos. So do you please be ready and give me all of your love and support. Guys, I don't know how to get out of this. Please, if you want me to get out of this, like this video and smash that subscribe button and hit the notification button so you will be the first one to watch all my new videos. Hey guys, look. Yin Ipuji Asti. I think I didn't pronounce it nicely. But she's at 15th stage. I need to get out of here. Yeah, whatever. if this is a dead end. Oh, it feels like I'm here forever. I think I should leave the game and join. What do you think? People, I don't know, guys. What should I do? Guys, if you want to see what do I do, go to the next video, which is on Friday. Bye! Guys, remember, games are always educated.